Understanding vinyl storage. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a term that might seem simple but is actually quite specific: vinyl storage. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and how it's used in everyday language, especially for those who love music and organization. Vinyl refers to a type of plastic material used since the mid-20th century. It's durable, flexible, and has been widely used for making records, known as vinyl records. These are analog sound storage mediums, circular and flat, that store music or other audio in the form of grooves on their surface. Storage is a term that means keeping something safe or putting it away when it's not in use. It's not just about putting things in a box. It's about organizing and protecting items so that they stay in good condition and are easy to find later. When we combine the two words, vinyl storage specifically refers to the storing of vinyl records. This isn't just about tossing them anywhere. It's about placing them in conditions that preserve their quality. Proper vinyl storage protects records from dust, heat, and pressure that could warp them. For music enthusiasts and collectors, vinyl storage is crucial. It's not only about organization but also about preserving the sound quality and the value of the records. Collectors take pride in their vinyl storage solutions, which can range from shelves and cases to specialized furniture. We hope this video has shed some light on the term vinyl storage and its significance in the world of music and collectors. Keep your records sounding crisp and your collections impressive with the right storage solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!